Hi everyone, this is from Landrec USA, your source of quality and affordable land. And today we're going to talk about the beautiful city of Nacona, Texas. Now, Nacona is a small town located in Montague County, and it's near the Red River and the Texas-Oklahoma border. With a population of approximately 3,000 people, Nacona is known for its deep roots in Western culture, particularly as a historic hub for leather goods manufacturing. Now, while leather goods remain an essential part of its identity, the town has embraced heritage tourism, attracting visitors to its historic downtown, museums, and antique shops. Now, the climate here, it has a humid subtropical climate characterized by hot summers and mild winters. The town receives moderate rainfall, with its beneficial for local agriculture and maintaining green spaces. Now, here on our site, you will see that we have 41 available lots. So it ranges from 0.29 acre lot to bigger lots. So you can just scroll down and explore the website. On the side here, we have our satellite map. These red dots represent the specific location of the lots. I'm just going to show you nearby cities and town. Now, Gainesville, Texas is about 40 miles southeast. Gainesville is a larger city nearby and serves as a regional center for retail, healthcare, and agriculture. Dowie, Texas is about 22 miles southwest. We have Wichita Falls, which is about 50 miles west. Now, Wichita Falls is a major city in North Texas with diverse economy based on manufacturing, healthcare, and education. Also, Denton, Texas, which is about 70 miles southeast. Now, let's go back and check one of the listings that we have here. You can either click in full details or you can click on this red dot here and you'll be directed to a specific listing. Now, reasons to buy land here in Nacona. Nacona offers affordable land compared to larger cities in Texas. For those seeking to invest in rural properties for agriculture, ranching, and recreation, the area provides ample opportunities without the high prices seen more in urbanized areas. We have rich Western heritage, its proximity to major highways. Nacona is conveniently located near US Highway 82 and US Highway 287, providing easy access to larger cities like Wichita Falls, Denton, and Fort Worth. We have outdoor recreation and scenic beauty. Nacona is surrounded by natural beauty with several lakes and outdoor recreational areas nearby. It's also a great potential for tourism investment. With its deep Western heritage, leatherwork industry, and growing tourism industry, Nacona provides opportunity for vacation rentals, bed and breakfast, and business catering to visitors. Nacona, Texas is an excellent place to buy land for those seeking rural, peaceful lifestyle with ties to Western culture and history. Its proximity to major highways and nearby cities ensure access to essential amenities while offering affordable land and investment opportunities. And if you're interested, just drop by at our website at landrecusa.com or don't hesitate to call us at 928-515-3510. Thank you.